Hi, and welcome to day 14 of our October Make With Me project. This month we are making a Crochet Stitches Sampler welcome mat. And today I'm having a hard time making my slip knot. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tiny textures stitch. There we go. I'm going to switch my color back to the light gray, and then I'm ready to get started. Okay, we will begin this section, the tiny textures section, by chaining one. When I changed my color, that was my chain one. And then we will do a pattern of a single crochet followed by a chain, skip one stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, chain, skip a stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. And just remember that the last stitch we did in the star stitch was a half double, so you'll need to make sure you stick your hook under all 3 loops. Alright, I will meet you guys at the end of this first row. Okay, I finished the first row of the single crochet, chain, skip a stitch, single crochet, and now I'm going to chain one and turn my work over. This is another section that doesn't really have a front or a back side. So here we go. We will make a single crochet in the first stitch, followed by a double crochet in the chain space. So single crochet in the next stitch, and then a double crochet in the chain space. And we will repeat this pattern across this row, and I will meet you guys at the end of row 2. I just finished the second row of the tiny textures section, and I ended on a single crochet. I chained one, and now I'm ready for the third row. So the next rows, we're just going to repeat the first and second row. And we want to end up making a total of 8 rows. So we will do, for this next row, the third row, single crochet, chain one, skip a stitch, single crochet all the way across. And then when we're ready for row 4, we'll repeat that pattern of single crochet followed by a double crochet, and do that across the row until we have made 8 rows. So I will meet you guys at the end of this section. Alright, here I am at the end of the 8 rows of the tiny texture stitch, and that's what it looks like. Tomorrow I will show you guys how to do the Celtic weave. Those are cool looking, they're a little tricky, but practicing and practicing it, you'll get quick at it, and they look really cool. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi, real quick, I decided to reduce the tiny texture section down to 6 rows instead of 8. If you like 8, you can do 8 rows, it's fine. I think I like how it looks with 6 better, and just knowing that we still have more sections to add to the rug. So anyway, there you go. If you watch another video and you're like, wait a minute, her section looks smaller, it is. I took 2 rows out. I did 6 rows instead of 8. So anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.